Cleaning the EGR valve is an important maintenance step that helps improve engine performance and reduce emissions. If your car is running rough or using more fuel than usual, a clogged EGR valve might be the cause. The good news is, you can clean the EGR valve easily. To clean the EGR valve without removing it, start by removing the top cover of the engine to access the components underneath. Using a screwdriver, loosen the nuts securing the EGR tube. Then remove all the nuts holding it in place. Also, detach the clip that is keeping the valve secured. Gently pull the tube to loosen, and pop it out slightly, giving you access to the EGR valve opening. Once you have access, start the engine and let it idle. Then take an EGR cleaner and spray it directly into the valve opening. Make sure to spray thoroughly to loosen any carbon buildup inside. After spraying, turn off the engine and let it sit for a few minutes. Once done, reverse the process, put the tube back, reattach the clip, and tighten the nuts with the screwdriver. Finally, put the engine cover back in place. By following these steps, you will clean the EGR valve and improve engine performance. If EGR valve is too clogged, you might need to remove the valve for a more thorough cleaning. Start by removing the bolts holding the engine cover in place. Once the bolts are removed, take off the engine cover to expose the EGR valve. Next, remove the bracket securing the top of the EGR valve. Then, disconnect the cable from the valve on both sides. Use a screwdriver to loosen the Jubilee clamps on the intake pipe and carefully remove the pipe. After that, disconnect the vacuum hose attached to the EGR valve. Now, remove the 4 bolts that hold the EGR valve in place and carefully take the valve out. Once it is removed, check the amount of carbon buildup inside the valve. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently scrape off the carbon and dirt. Then, take an EGR cleaner and spray it into the valve. Let it sit for a few minutes. Afterward, take a sponge and start rubbing the outside of the EGR valve to clean it. Once clean, check for any remaining dirt or carbon. If there is still some left, repeat the cleaning process. Once the valve is fully clean, reinstall it by reversing the removal steps. Tighten all the bolts, reattach the clamp on the EGR valve, and place the intake pipe back in position. Tighten the Jubilee clamps securely. Reinstall the bracket and reconnect the cable. Once everything is back in place, put the engine cover back and tighten the bolts. With just a few tools and a bit of care, you will clean your EGR valve. This simple maintenance step will restore smooth engine performance, reduce emissions, and help your vehicle run more efficiently.